Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add PDF on Evernote. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Evernote, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding a PDF to Evernote is very simple and allows you to keep important documents organized and accessible. So if you're using the mobile device, be it an Android or an iOS, I want you to hover to the option to go to your notebooks right here. You see this, notebooks, and search for the notebooks that contains the note. If you haven't already, just click create a note if you want to add a specific PDF for that. We have a separate video on how to create notes that you might want to check in our channel. But in my case, I'm going to be choosing this specific note. And there are a couple of ways for you to be able to add a PDF. All right, so you see, if you click on the text bar here, there is like a cross button on the bottom left corner, which is kind of like a blue color. And then the next beside it is the camera icon and the check icon. So I want you to click on the plus button. That would lead you to these options. You can insert a link for that specific PDF if you don't want to attach a hard copy. All right. If you just wanted to share a link from your cloud storage options like OneDrive, Google Drive, and Dropbox, you also have an option to click the attachment section if you want to attach a specific file on your mobile device, which we are going to do. Now, in this case, as you can see, I have saved my PDF here in my mobile device. I'm on my storage. I'm gonna click on it, click the select button, and the PDF will be added here. You see that untitled attachment, and the file size is around 37 MB. That's one way. Another option again is going to click the plus button. I'm going to use now this time the link, which gives me an option to this. The link has the text and the link. All right, so what I'm going to do is quickly switch over to my Google Drive on mobile. All right, so this is my G Drive. I'm gonna click the three dots button here and click the copy link. Make sure that it has a permission that you wanted to give access to everyone that can open the link. And very quickly switch over to Evernote, paste that link right here and put a text, for example, PDF added as link from G Drive. All right, and click on apply. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.